Assalamu alaikum. Let's learn together today about contraction. What is a contraction? First of all, let's read its definition. Well, contraction is a shortened form of two or more words that are combined into one word using apostrophe. Respected viewers, we will combine two or more words, okay, into one word using apostrophe. This symbol is called apostrophe. Okay, this is a symbol of apostrophe. Inshallah, through examples you will understand more clearly. So let's see examples. Full form and contraction form. Here you can see, respected viewers, we have here two words, you and are. Okay, you are. We will combine them into one word using apostrophe. Okay, so here you can see you are. Okay, these two words, okay, changed into one word, your. Here we used, okay, apostrophe. Normally we use, okay, apostrophe for missing letters or for possession. So you are, okay, your. One more example, I will, I'll, I apostrophe I'll. So I will, okay, these two words, okay, become I'll. So, respected viewers, let's see more examples of contractions. Full form, contraction form. Could have, could have. I am, you have, you. Here is, here's. Why did, why'd. Who have, who. Let us, let's. We will, must have, must have. Should have, should have. Somebody has or somebody is, somebody's. Someone has or someone is would be changed into someone's. Something has or something is, something's. That would, that'd. Where will, where'll. Where did, where'd. Now we will see, respected viewers, some negative contractions. Are not, aren't. Cannot, can't. Could not, couldn't. Did not, didn't. Does not, doesn't. Do not, don't. Had not, hadn't. Has not, hasn't. Have not, haven't. Is not, isn't. Must not, mustn't. Should not, shouldn't. Was not, wasn't. were not, weren't, will not, won't, would not, wouldn't. Respected viewers, I hope you people really enjoyed today's lesson. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Take care. Allah Hafiz.